Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you a USB Type-C charging cable. This is from Lanmu on Amazon. Here's how it comes shipped to you. Go ahead, check out the link in my video description below. It'll take you to Amazon's product page where you can check out this product and a bunch of other things that they have to offer for you. You can read reviews, see photos, that sort of thing, add it to your cart, check out if you're looking for a USB-C cable. So let me go ahead. Here's how it comes packaged too. We'll go ahead and unbox it now. Really nice packaging. You're not going to save it anyways, so I'd rather have a reduced cost for the cable than some fancy box, that sort of thing. So again, the brand, Lanmu, very affordable cable for your budget. Build quality we'll look at so far seems good, but we'll take it out and see what it's like. And it's the male-to-male end. Really a nice, really you can just tell it's just a nice cable. It feels very similar to what I have for my Pixel and Pixel 2 phones. Quality-wise, just from that, I mean, it's really hard to tell. So nothing in this video will be able to tell you right away how great this holds up over time. But just from the looks of it, it seems very sturdy, very durable, would make a great cable. I love how long it is. So that's going to be, let's see, that's probably a 6-foot cable. I'm a little under 6 feet. So yeah, plenty of length. Again, you got the two male ends. I really like the little, this might come off, but I like the little blue cap on there, but I'm pretty sure that they just put that on to protect the end. So we'll see if we can open that and get that sticker off. But I kind of thought the blue was pretty cool on there. But yeah, it looks like a great cable, really happy. I brought my Pixel down, my Pixel 2, just to plug it in to see. So fits just fine in there, nice and snug. So seems great, really excited for that. So if you're looking for a charging cable, this one has excellent length, very affordable on Amazon. Go ahead, check out that link to see the most current price. I'm gonna keep working on getting this blue film off. So it just things protected, the nice white polished end, which is really cool. So yeah, great USB-C cable, really excited for it. You'll continue to see more of these in the future as more devices continue to adopt it as the standard. Really great. Lanmu's got some cool products. I'll be reviewing some other ones, so check out my videos in the end to see their other products as well. And thank you guys so much for being here and on this channel. Hit that sub button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. Look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thanks.